The brand new convenience store in Ridgeview has its grand opening to celebrate its success after 9 days of operating and advertise it to the campus. Sample food, snacks, and accessories, all was to attract people to and introduce the new convenience store to those who does not know about the renovation at Ridgeview since this summer.
We just opened the new Roost at Ridgeview. It's a brand new organic convenience store here on campus. So we have a lot of organic, local, vegan, vegetarian options, fresh breads, fresh organic produce from a local farm, and it's available for students to use their meal plan here on campus.
Organizing a variety of frozen food, organic farm ingredients, and chicken bag, a New York City street food, all at one place. The new convenience store also offers new food options to vegetarians and vegans on campus.
What's special is everything we feature is organic, and we have an assortment of gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free. We have different ethnic food as well. We have Indian in our freezer, and as well as in region. Chinese, Italian foods.
A Ridgeview resident complimented the convenience of the new renovation and the variety of food choice.
It's good to come here instead of going all the way in town for stuff or to the bookstore or whatever. You can just buy it here instead. So
far, the 9-day operating of the new convenience store has received a number of positive feedbacks from students and staff members. In the studio, Ophelia Xie, WNPC-TV.